What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Tesla with the ticker symbol TSLA. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So Tesla is looking very weak right now. It looks like it wants to continue to trend down lower. You can see that this was a key level that price retraced to right around that 210 level. So let's go put a horizontal line there. So price almost came back to that key levels. This was support in the past that turned into resistance. So here was support right here, support, resistance, support. Price tried to get back above it, kind of about didn't even get close enough. It got close enough, but it cannot touch it completely, and it found resistance and sold off. So you can see that in the short term, there was two legs up, one leg up right here, second leg up, measure move was met, and then price had a double top at the measure move target, and that's what led price to sell off. So this looks like it wants to continue to trend down lower. It also broke this downward trend line, possible channel in place. So let's go and put the channel right here. So we have three touches on the bottom. Doesn't really fit the greatest on the top, so it looks like it's more like a trend line break. So let's go put the trend line. So look, you can see the bears were able to break that trend line, and it looks like it's headed lower, probably back down to the 180 low 180s, probably to even exceed this prior low at the 174. So as right now, it looks like it's headed lower. Price cannot get back above the key level, which is the 210 level, and we're trending down lower. We're staying below the EMA. So this was the prior leg down right here. This was the second leg down. Target was met and price reversed, but it cannot go any higher. So that tells me we could be making a larger leg, and a larger leg would take price right to that 159, 160 level that I've been calling for a while now. So it's probably going to get there sometime later this month or sometime early next month. So again, it looks like it's trending down lower, and I still see more weakness for Tesla. Now looking at the weekly chart, overall it's very bearish. Well, I wouldn't say it's very bearish, but it's definitely bearish. It's been trending down since November of 2021. So this November would be 3 years of a bear market. We have had rallies in this bear market, but overall it's a bear market. This trend line is very obvious. So everyone who opens their chart, 99% of people are going to be probably seeing this downward trend line off of the swing highs. So again, this tells me that we're still in the bear market if we're making lower highs and lower lows. So it's trending down lower. I'm expecting the 160 level. We'll see if it can act as support or not. We'll probably see a short-term bounce from that level and maybe back up to this trend line. For me to be really bullish long-term, basically to see Tesla come back to its all-time highs, it would need to break that trend line, and then find support and then continue higher. So the first step would be to break the trend line, and then we could see what it does. We could always just break it and fail. What you want to see is break, support built, and then another rally. So you want to see at least the pullback being small and find support, or maybe a retest of the trend line, something like that. Either way, you want to see a break of the trend line first. So until we get that, this is long-term bearish, but short-term we could probably find some type of support at the 160 level. So that's what I'm looking at Tesla on the daily and weekly charts. Short-term is looking bearish, long-term is looking bearish. We could find some temporary support right around the 160 level. That's where it looks like it's headed. And then we'll see if that leads to a large rally or not. If not, the next target would be this prior low at the $113 level right over here. That's where price bottomed in January of 2023. So it's looking weak as of right now. So that's all I have for Tesla on the daily weekly charts. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.